My name's Igloo the Ice Cube. I live in a freezer. One day I was taken out of the freezer and put into a bowl with some of my ice friends, but not with my best friend, Leham. I screamed, "No, don't let me melt. I have a future in surviving, and I'll do you justice." I sadly melted, but when melting takes place, my molecules gain energy and the intermolecular space becomes larger between my molecules. Intermolecular space means the space between two molecules. In water, it's more spaced out than it is in an ice cube. That puts me in a liquid state, which is known as water. As my molecules gained energy, they rose. When this happens, it's called steam or water vapor. Water vapor is a form of water which has been heated to a certain temperature and then rises. Another way to remember this is to think of when a hot air balloon rises, it's hot air. But when the air becomes less hot, it sinks. So it's called hot air rises and cold air sinks. When steam started coming out of me, the intermolecular space became much larger, and the gas was able to move much faster than it was in a liquid state. As I was heated even further, all my steam hit the bottom of the lid. When it hit the bottom of the lid and the pan cooled down, it condensated. When something condensates, it means it goes back into a liquid state from a gas. In this way, when the pot cooled down, the steam turned back into water. When this happens, energy is taken away, and the intermolecular space becomes less. That's why it becomes into a liquid state and doesn't remain into a gas. This is called condensating. Condensation also takes place in rain when water goes up and it comes back down from a gaseous state, which are clouds, into water, which is rain. Once I was in a liquid state, thankfully the humans, as they call themselves, put me into an ice tray. I was happy, but not as happy because I wasn't Igloo the Ice Cube. Luckily, the humans, as they call themselves, put me into the freezer, which is my home if you didn't know that, where I could form my structure, grow my arms, grow my legs, and meet Leham again. After I was put into the freezer, I was so happy. Freezer is my home. That's where I'm most happy. When I got into the freezer and I grew my structure, built my arms, and had fun, I met Leham. Leham's my best ice cube friend. Alongside me in the freezer are some of my other friends, ice cube friends, and also ice cream tub friends like my other friend, Mr. Haagen-Dazs Vanilla. After I was an ice cube again, I was so delighted to meet my best friend, Leham. Leham and I had not met in one whole hour. We were really missing each other, and in the excitement of seeing each other again, we threw a big bash. We invited all our ice cream tubs and all our ice cube friends. We celebrated for the next 8 minutes. That's a long time. It freezes really solid. Thank you for watching.